So today I'll be making pizza bombs and bacon wrapped Italian sausage. I'm going to make a carnivore meal, well, as much as I possibly can. This is the only ingredient that's really truly not carnivore. Now you might be wondering, what is carnivore diet? There are different levels of carnivore. The most strict level is when you eat only meat and salt. So this is a high-fat, low-carb diet. And the goal is to help you lose weight and improve insulin sensitivity and improve your gut and your heart health. But there are a few drawbacks. You are not getting vitamin C or fiber, so you may have to supplement with those. But this plan is a really good tool in your toolbox to help you if you're struggling to lose weight and you need more energy. Now there's another level of carnivore. The strict version is 100% animal fats. Then the next level is where you add in some eggs and some dairy and some fish. And that's about 80% meat. So you just definitely want to get that salt, the mineral salt in there with it. And carnivore is a form of keto diet. Keto is a low carb, high fat diet. So we're replacing the sugar and the carbs with healthy fats because they burn cleaner and it's a better form of fuel for the body. Carnivore can also raise your testosterone and your mental clarity, so there's that. It's worth trying. You might not want to do it long term, but maybe, try it for 30 days and see how it works out for you. So I'm going to show you what I have here now. Our meat. Got some bacon, uncured bacon here. Meatballs. Sweet Italian sausage. And some uncured turkey pepperoni. Mozzarella cheese. And once again, tomato basil. Now these meatballs are gluten-free, grass-fed beef. You can order them online from Force of Nature right here. Now I was on Pinterest and I found several recipes for pizza bombs, which I thought looked delicious. But when I looked into it, they were made from frozen biscuit dough, and that was what was inside of these. And I am on a low carb diet, so I don't want to have any kind of bread. So I was thinking, what if instead of using bread, we used meatballs? That would be delicious. Now you can use ground beef and make your own meatballs if you want to. I chose to use the ones that are already pre-made, even though they're going to be small. So if you want bigger meatballs, you should make your own, and you can also make these in a muffin pan and make muffins out of them. Now I'm going to cook these meatballs in the oven just because it will give me time to work on something else. You can also cook them in a skillet or an air fryer. Now I got my pan ready. I put some parchment paper on here and I'm heating my oven to 375 degrees. I just want to show you the label. Look at that. 1 gram of carbs. So I'm going to pour these out. We're going to put these right in the oven. We're going to cook these for 15 to 20 minutes and see how they look. And while they're cooking, I'm going to prepare some sausages because this is a meal prep. I'm eating at a friend's, and the meatballs really I don't think are going to be very filling because it's such a small bag. So I'm also going to make some bacon wrapped Italian sausage. Got some avocado oil. Now remember, this is cooking on the fly. I've never made this before, so we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to oil up my pan here. I'm going to turn the heat on to medium. Now you can throw some spices in here if you want to put some garlic, salt, or some minced garlic or something. Maybe I'll do that. Put some minced garlic in here. Now I'm going to get my sausages out of here. Now these are from ButcherBox. See my video on unboxing ButcherBox if you want more information about that. Got my bacon. I'm going to take my bacon and I'm going to wrap it around the sausage. It doesn't have to be pretty. So there we have them. Now we're going to put them in our pan and cook them. There we go. I'm not sure how long to cook these. I'm just winging it. I'm going to look and see. I'm going to put a lid on my pan. Now we'll check the meatballs. Ooh. Nice and golden brown, just like we want them. Going to turn these a little bit. Now the meatballs, this is going to be a meal prep here. So I'm going to put these meatballs right in here. So we got our meatballs. You can see the bacon starting to crisp up. That's kind of messy there. I was hoping these would be nice and crispy and wrap around there, but that doesn't look like it's going to happen. Now I got a skewer and my sauce. I'm just going to dip these right in here like this. So there we have our meatballs. Now if you want, you can just pour the sauce on, but this will be less messy. I'm thinking it would have been better to cook the sausage first and the bacon separately and then wrap them in retrospect, but at any rate, it'll still be delicious. Look at that. Ooh. I'm going to get my cheese. I'm going to cheese these up. Got my pepperoni. I'm going to put a pepperoni on top of each of these meatballs. There we have it. Ooh. They're not pretty, but they're going to be delicious. Now, these are going to be a meal prep, so I'm not that concerned if the sausage isn't cooked all the way through. I want the bacon to be all the way cooked. So I am going to reheat these later. Now, I do have some spices I can use. I'll go ahead and do that. That's how we want them. Okay. Gonna take my sausage. Put it right in there. Look at that. Now when I'm ready to eat, I'll just pop these in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese is melted on the meatballs. You can also sprinkle some more cheese on top and some more pepperoni or any other toppings that you like. You can chop some bell pepper or some jalapenos or olives, whatever you like. The possibilities are endless. Got these in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, we're ready to get these out. Ooh, look at that. All right.